So I bought this portable monitor stand from UPERFECT, and this is what's turned up. It does have the picture of it over here, but it does say on the side suitable for mobile phones, tables, live broadcast. I'm assuming that is meant to say tablets, and on the side it does say holder for tablets. Now I looked at some listings, and I specifically didn't want one that is made for tablets because it's too small. And I did find this one, which is made for portable monitors, but then now it's turned up and on the box is saying that it's made for tablets. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and see if this is the correct item, because I did read the description and everything. This is meant to be for portable monitors. Now I have a 17.3 inch monitor which I intend to use with this, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see if it works. Okay, it's made out of metal. What the heck is that? Okay, we've got the stand over here, and it looks like some sort of suction. How the heck is that supposed to hold that? Oh crap, I've done it wrong. Okay, so you can go ahead and tighten that, and then it becomes much stronger, and then that doesn't move. That's pretty cool. And then we've got height adjustment, and that tightens as well. And then you obviously just have the base. Okay, this is the base. Don't know what the heck this. Okay, so you have the screw that goes under here, and then you can just put this on, and then you can just go ahead and just tighten this down. There we are. And then obviously the problem with this is it's not flat, it's wobbly. I'm just going to go ahead and put the monitoring on this, and let's just see if that even fits. So this is it. This uses this stand that it has on the back. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in. Okay, I'm gonna say don't buy this piece of crap. So this mechanism here that is used to hold up the monitor is actually not really good. I mean, I'm assuming this is a really heavy monitor or something, but like it's just barely just holding it up. I mean, it will hold up the monitor, but what I mean is it just looks like it's gonna just ever so slightly just keep on changing the angle. And if I want it a bit higher up, that's obviously a problem, because this thing is an absolute piece of junk. Yeah, I mean, I don't like it. It's just crap. It's an absolute flipping piece of junk. I don't know why the heck people even make these things. Okay, yes, I have realized that this is part of the product. Yes, believe it or not. So this sticks under it, and that keeps it from wobbling. I didn't know that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on. But it seems to be working alright actually. But yeah, I mean, it's a bit wobbly. But yeah, let's go ahead and take that off, and then now you're going to witness me doing a botch job of this thing here. I don't know about you guys, good thing I bought this new, because if it wasn't new, It wouldn't stick. That's not too bad actually. Let's go ahead and pick it up. Aha, that's much better. There we go. Okay, I don't recommend this thing because I think I should have got the other one, which didn't really pop up on the listing at all or anything. So I just picked this one up, but I actually don't recommend it. It's made for very lightweight devices, and this monitor is big, and I mean it fits the monitor fine, but it's not very. It doesn't feel like it's designed for this monitor at all. But yeah, I mean, I suppose it is what it is. It seems to be working. I might give you guys an update as a short video or something on this and how it's going. But I think it's gonna work out.